Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start, and today we're going to be using gift boxes to make seasonal decor that you can give away as gifts. So let's get started. So we're going to be making 3 of these wall art pieces, and these are just gift boxes that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I'm just using leftover ribbon from Dollar General and Dollar Tree along with some jute cord. You can also use the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. This is just some that I had left over. So we're taking a foam board from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was trace around the gift box onto the foam board, and then I cut out 3 pieces of the foam board for our 3 boxes. Next, we're going to take our hot glue and we're just going to glue down the flaps of the gift box so that they are solid, and then we're going to glue the gift box onto the foam board. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love vintage things, and so these boxes just gave me that really good vintage feel. But there are so many choices for gift boxes. I found so many different styles just about anywhere that I went. So these can be customized to yourself or to another person for a gift. It just really is, the sky's the limit here with these gift boxes. So next we're going to take our jute cord and we're just going to wrap the jute cord around the side of the foam board, and I'm just using my hot glue and attaching it all around the sides like a frame. So now we have the jute cord wrapped around and it's looking so good. We're going to repeat that step 2 more times with the other 2 gift boxes, and we're just using those other 2 pieces of foam board that we cut out. If you're new to my channel, I'm Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start, and I like to do seasonal decor, trash to treasure, and budget-friendly DIYs. So if that is something that you're interested in, I hope you go hit the subscribe button. I also have an Instagram account, and I would love it if you followed me over there. I post home decor pictures, my DIYs, and more of what goes on in my everyday life in my stories. We're ready to do the bows, and I wanted to try this crisscross bow method that I keep seeing on YouTube, and so I'm just using some leftover ribbons that I've had throughout the season, and most of my ribbon came from Dollar General or Dollar Tree, and I just cut them up into the desired size, crisscrossed them, and then tied them together. I think that this method is really more for ribbons that don't have wire in them. All of the ribbons I was using today had wire. It was like burlap and things like that, and it was really hard to tie them in the middle. I did end up using floral wire to tie them together. I did like how it ended up turning out. I just think that maybe these ribbons that I was using were a little bit too stiff. So next we're going to add the hanger to our wall piece, and I'm just using that same jute cord. I'm just going to hot glue it to the back and then reinforce it with a little bit of more hot glue. If you are going to give these as a gift, you could always put a piece of poster board on the back to cover up where you have glued down your jute twine. I was not giving these away as gifts, so I didn't do that step, but to give it a more high-end look or a more complete look, you could do that. I'm just going to repeat this process 2 more times for the other 2, and like I said, these are all just scrap ribbons I'd already used throughout the season and I was just using up, so I cut some of the bigger ribbons this next time into smaller size and it tied a little bit better, but again it's still pretty stiff and I think probably ribbon without wire would be the best bet here. So here's the final look of our wall decor pieces, and I think they turned out awesome. I love these gift boxes and I just wanted some way to display them in my home. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time I make a new video. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.